We at Sisua are pioneers of intelligent automation. Our team in Finland started in 2014 as advisors for large enterprises, and we learned how to do business process automation with these Nordic customers that are some of the most demanding in the world. Over time, all the large enterprises in the world are going to automate their manual business processes because they want to build higher productivity, more efficiency, and better performance. They also want to build better customer experience and employee satisfaction. And importantly, they want to introduce artificial intelligence to solve their business problems. Sisua Digital has created the offering and the service model, and we decided to go to the markets where the growth is at an earlier stage. We founded Sisua Digital Group in 2019 as a result of a management buyout and didn't slow down even if there were obstacles such as the COVID-19. We are now established in 3 continents with teams smartly located in Chile, Vietnam, and Finland. Our presence in 3 time zones enables us to do 24/7 follow-the-sun maintenance for our customers. This also means that we have good access to skilled talent, competitive cost structure, and good potential to grow in the regional markets. We are focusing on managed services business, where customers pay us a monthly fee. This means that we are generating annual recurring revenue. We were born global, and since the beginning, we were on 3 continents. We are now established and consolidated our business in large markets for the growth.
The enterprise automation market is currently growing strongly, especially in the Americas, and it's emerging in Southeast Asia. Sisua is well established in all of these markets to profit from that growth. In fact, we have been able to close some of the biggest clients in these areas. As an example, I can mention the 3rd biggest bank in Vietnam, a stock-listed $4 billion company in Canada, with a Nikkei 25 car manufacturer and a Fortune 50 insurance company. Our strategy has worked well, and the business is growing. Throughout the company's history, we've grown on an average of 45% annually, despite the COVID years. Customer churn is very low, and today more than 60% of Sisua's turnover and revenue comes from growth markets. We are looking forward to that number growing to over 85%. Also, the proportion of annual recurring revenue is growing, currently being at approximately 40%. The biggest growth opportunity is clearly in the Americas, both in LATAM and North America. And that is why we are looking to expand to Mexico, from which we can serve both our North American clients and grow in the LATAM region. We are looking at an opportunity for over 100% growth in the Americas. And our aim is to create a higher percentage of annual recurring revenue exceeding well beyond 50%. We feel that all of these opportunities combined make Sisua a very attractive investment.